Number 1.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, showing 148,000 miles on the odometer. This truck has been well maintained and thoughtfully upgraded over time. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission paired with a rebuilt 5.3 LLM7 Gen 3 LS engine, delivering strong and dependable performance. The engine runs great with no leaks or mechanical issues, ensuring it's ready for both daily driving and weekend cruising. Finished in a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, this Chevrolet 1500 carries a timeless look that reflects its late 80s heritage. The interior remains comfortable and functional, offering a simple yet durable design true to the truck's utilitarian roots. While it does not include air conditioning, the truck's mechanical condition more than makes up for it, providing a confident and reliable driving experience. Additional highlights include brand new wheels and tires that enhance both its appearance and handling, giving the truck a refreshed stance on the road.
Number 2.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. It showcases the rugged reliability and power that defined Chevrolet's heavy-duty lineup in the early 90s. It comes equipped with a strong 454 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering excellent towing and hauling capabilities. The truck has approximately 222,000 miles on the odometer, a testament to its long-lasting performance and durability. The Silverado sits on 10-ply tires, with the rear set having around 2,000 miles of use and the front tires retaining about 70% tread life. A matching spare tire is also included. While the windshield and top dashboard show some cracks, and the driver's seat has visible wear, the overall interior remains functional and comfortable. Despite these cosmetic flaws, the truck runs and drives very well, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience.
Number 3.
1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,000. It runs on gasoline and is finished in white, complemented by a clean interior that's in near-perfect condition. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 454 V8 engine that runs and drives well, though it could use a bit of TLC. It sits on a 4-inch lift with 33-inch tires, giving it a bold, elevated stance. The vehicle comes equipped with an aftermarket Bluetooth radio, offering modern convenience in a classic truck. While the exterior shows minor scratches, scrapes, and a few rust spots, there's nothing major that detracts from its overall solid appearance. The truck includes new O2 sensors, which haven't yet been installed but will be provided with the purchase. Some exhaust work is needed, as there's exhaust coming out of the passenger side near the hood, likely from a loose or misaligned header.
Additionally, it makes a few clanking noises when driven off-road, though nothing severe. Number 4.
1986 Ford F150, price $6,500. This truck features a beautiful blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless, vintage appeal enhanced by its naturally developed patina. Powered by a strong V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this two-wheel drive F150 offers an authentic driving experience that reflects the rugged spirit of the 1980s. It also comes equipped with an 8-foot bed, making it both practical and reliable for hauling or everyday use. The engine runs smoothly, and all dials, buttons, and lights are fully functional. Recent updates include a new headliner, a freshly installed seat with a custom Pendleton blanket seat cover, and a new Bluetooth radio that blends modern convenience with classic style.
Number 5.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,750. The truck is a reliable 4x2 long bed pickup with a clean title and 166,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is finished in white exterior paint with a beige interior, offering a classic and clean appearance. This Silverado has been well maintained throughout its life and remains in excellent mechanical condition, running smoothly with no major issues. The vehicle shows only normal body work consistent with its age, reflecting careful ownership and regular upkeep. With its durable build, smooth performance, and strong engine, this 1999 Chevrolet 1500 stands as a dependable choice for anyone seeking a tough and practical pickup truck that's ready for daily use or work needs.
Number 6.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, with approximately 204,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, making it capable and versatile for various driving conditions. The truck features a gray exterior complemented by a matching gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine known for its durability and reliable performance. This Sierra has been carefully maintained, with several recent upgrades including new tires, a new battery, and a new heater core, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. According to the owner, everything works perfectly, from the mechanical components to the comfort features inside. The truck offers a comfortable and spacious cabin, solid handling, and dependable power.
Number 7.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $3,500. Dependable and versatile midsize pickup truck designed to handle both work and leisure with ease. Featuring a robust build and a spacious gray interior paired with a striking blue exterior, it comfortably accommodates passengers while offering generous cargo space for tools, equipment, or travel gear. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this Dakota delivers smooth performance and reliable power for everyday driving or tough jobs. With 205,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to demonstrate the lasting durability Dodge trucks are known for. Its strong towing capability allows it to haul trailers, boats, or heavy loads without compromise.
Number 8.
1997 GMC 2500, price $7,000. It has 203,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a blue exterior with a gray interior, powered by a gasoline engine. This 4WD truck runs and drives excellently, showcasing its reliability and strength on and off the road. It is equipped with a Jasper rebuilt 5.7L V8 engine, which has only 15,000 miles since the rebuild, and a rebuilt transmission with just 5,000 miles on it. The vehicle has been well maintained, featuring new front rotors, brakes, and brake lines, ensuring smooth and safe stopping power. Additionally, both the front and rear shocks have been recently replaced, along with the steering stabilizer, contributing to a more controlled and comfortable driving experience.
Number 9.
1987 Mazda B-Series, price $4,000. It has covered approximately 202,000 miles and runs on a 2.2L SOC 4-cylinder gasoline engine producing around 85 to 100 horsepower. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with rear-wheel drive, offering a true vintage driving experience. Finished in black exterior paint with a tan interior, the truck presents a timeless and rugged look. The owner has invested significant time and care into keeping it in excellent mechanical condition. Recent maintenance includes the replacement of the clutch, head gasket, and valve covers, along with a complete overhaul of the front and rear suspension. It also comes equipped with new tires on all 4 corners, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. The interior has been freshly detailed, and the windows have been retinted to 5%, giving it a clean and modern touch. For added convenience and entertainment, the truck is fitted with a Kenwood aftermarket touchscreen stereo system.
Number 10.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500, features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 350 V8 engine mated to a TH350 transmission, this truck is equipped with headers, an upgraded intake, a Holley carburetor, an HEI ignition system, and a Flowmaster exhaust, providing a classic rumble and strong performance. This vintage Chevy runs and drives exceptionally well for its age, making it a reliable option for daily driving. While it does show some rust, it remains solid overall and retains much of its original character. The heater core requires replacement, but beyond that, it's a cool old truck that combines timeless style with dependable mechanical performance.